Ever wonder where the words tiller, transom or keel really came from? Welcome to the language of the sea, where we dive deep to uncover the fascinating origins of our favorite seafaring terms. Let's get started. The grand rivalry of sail. For centuries, two great rigging traditions dominated the seas. On one side, the colossal square-rigged ships that powered global exploration. On the other, the agile fore and aft sails that defined coastal maneuvering. The modern yacht owes its DNA to the rivalry between these two schools of thought. The pinnacle of ocean travel was a fully rigged tall ship, like the caravels and galleons of the age of exploration. These ships carried square sails hung horizontally from yards across the mast. This configuration was spectacular for sheer power and running downwind across oceans. However, if the ship needed to sail into the wind, to go upwind, it was hopelessly inefficient. While these maritime titans traversed the globe, a different, more nimble technology was evolving in coastal waters: the fore and aft rig. Unlike square sails, these sails ran along the line of the hull from bow to stern. They were descended from ancient types like the lateen and the sprit rig. The fore and aft tradition led directly to the gaff rig. The gaff spar essentially replaced the simple sprit, allowing for a much larger, more controllable four-sided sail. The ability of the gaff rig to pivot easily, change direction and sail far closer to the wind made it the undisputed champion for smaller working boats, the fishing trawlers, coasters and barges of northern Europe. Then came the final evolution. As yacht designers sought ultimate performance in racing, they found the gaff rig, despite its upwind advantage over square sails, was too complicated and couldn't match the airflow of a towering triangle. By taking the efficiency of the fore and aft concept and combining it with strong, lightweight materials, the Bermuda Rig was born. Today, the triangular Bermuda Rig is the ultimate fusion, a descendant of the humble, clever coastal boats engineered to leave both the towering square riggers and the traditional gaffers in its swift, efficient wake.